The pain point that clients are often experiencing when we find ourselves turning to FormAssembly is the need for public data capture. In some cases, we have clients where they've spent a lot of time and money building something very large and complex and custom on their website to handle capture of data, and it's still not sending data to Salesforce. And so being able to replace that with something that's drag and drop, that doesn't require custom code. When they need something new, they can just click the clone button. One particular client we worked with is the Boston Marathon, and their registration forms we probably spent hundreds of hours building.
Only 15–20% of respondents, and now they're up to 60–70% and under half the time. So it's incredible the growth and value that FormAssembly has provided just for data collection alone.
It works and it's simple. The typical use cases that people have is they need something more than a web-to-case or some kind of better form tool. And FormAssembly does just that in a simple way. It's pretty easy to configure and it just works. What our customers love about it is that it's native to Salesforce. So you fill in all the information and there it is right in Salesforce.
FormAssembly has been part of my daily life since I came into Idealist Consulting. It is one of the premier web form solutions out there. We have a long-standing relationship with FormAssembly. So when we recommend a web form, it's typically going to be FormAssembly, in part because of the quality of the integration as well as the sophistication of the solution and its wide-ranging use cases and ease which many nonprofits have around setup.
My favorite part about working with FormAssembly as a team and as a partner is that they've been accessible.
Whether it comes anything from surveys, contact us forms, to the super robust processes that I'm implementing, there's always something that gets people in the door. That's usually what I have for my customers is the data collection. They get in the door with data collection and then realize they have this wonderful tool that they can do so much more with. Because the more you use it, the better value you get.